I'm Michelle Snow, career coach. We offer 3 services because we are more than just events. Number 1, we offer corporate employee training solutions to help your team with those dynamic soft skills that include their communication skills, diversity, orientation, team conflict, building up your entire team so that they are leaders ready for your workforce. Number 2, we're coming to your colleges, universities, and high schools, preparing your students for the future workforce, helping them to have those great skills needed so that they can be prepared for tomorrow. And finally, we are supporting you as a new entrepreneur or business owner. We can help you to launch your business, to strengthen your business, and above all else, we can help you make more money. We are Michelle Snow Company, helping you to be better than yesterday. We are also introducing the MSN Business Hub. The Michelle Snow Business Hub is our co-working space specially designed for you, the professional. Do you need a place to work and to organize your business, to host conferences and events? Contact us here at the Michelle Snow Company.